I got some mail. Let's open it. But first, roll that intro. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If it's the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So, after my crash, I had a little issues with the Ruckus, and from what I understand, this first package is one of my friends from the Little Kings, the president of the Little Kings, and he sent me one of the peg legs. As you saw, one of them was bent, which is where it landed. I already cut this out, so I wouldn't take forever opening this package. So let's see. It's back in pink. Oh hell yeah! So if you guys are familiar with this, they're the man in the box peg legs. They're so that you can put your legs up front and stretch them out. It works pretty well for me because I am 6'1". He said he may be missing a bolt, so I'm gonna have to go get some stuff from the hardware store. Install this, but oh yeah, thanks man, really appreciate it, man. And the ones that I don't have the spacers, but these will actually help, because whenever I put my feet on the pegs as they are now, the heel part of the inside of my boot rubs against the front frame, and it has actually been kind of making a little rub mark on there. Awesome. So I'll install those here in a bit, and then we'll take it from there. But package from Rev. So it's also related to my crash, I guess. The pants I was wearing were just denim pants, and they pretty much ripped like nobody's business. So what I ended up doing was I went online and started looking at maybe some protective gear for my legs. I didn't want anything to be too crazy, but as always, got some Zilla stickers. Yeah, talk to me handy whenever I get my toolbox. But I wanted to make sure that whatever I ended up getting wasn't too crazy looking. So pretty much all my gear, my jacket, my vest, my helmet are all speed and strength. I feel like they have some pretty cool looking things. And these are some denim jeans that are reinforced with Kevlar, and they have, I guess, reinforcement for your knees. You guys can see that there. Let's see if I can take them out. The Velcro. Okay, you guys get that. No one tried to take them out, but they are just, I guess, denim pants, obviously, reinforced with the yellow material, which is Kevlar. It should help if you fall on your butt. And they're kind of the cut of pants that I usually wear, so they're a little bit on the slimmer side. They do look a little like the Euro motorcyclist, but it'll be alright. They're not too terribly bad, and I feel like they'll be pretty comfy.
Alright, so this is kind of a different day, obviously, different place, but I figured I'd include it in this video. I got this in the mail from Poke by Toast. I'll put some here. He's a pretty good supporter of the channel. He's got key tags, stickers, all sorts of things. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hell yeah. Some LED bulbs. He knows I've used them. I think Caesar was talking about how like I put so much money into my Ruckus, but I still had the stock headlights with the stock bulbs. So look forward to something like a video of this install soon. And I think there may be, yeah, there's something else in here. Another patch to go into the vest. For some, there's therapy. For the rest of us, there's motorcycles. This could not be any more true. Hell yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my vest. Thanks again, dude. Really appreciate it. You guys go check his Instagram out. He's a piercer and tattoo artist in the Dallas Fort Worth area. I think the Fort Worth area. So he's a pretty cool dude. He's got a ruck and a new Grom that he got not too long ago. He's learning to wheelie on it. So check him out if you're in the Fort Worth area and you want to get something pierced. Let him know because he'll be your dude. He'll take care of you. Now back to my dining room. Another package. Let's go ahead and open it. Be a real vlogger now. Alright, so yeah, this is a little too big for the GoPro, but I'm thinking of the future. I'm obviously going to get a bigger camera, a better camera later, and there's no reason for me to get a smaller one for the GoPro when I'm going to need a bigger one for that. But I'll talk more about that on, I guess, the unboxing and first impressions video. Alright, so editing's best here. Obviously I combine a few different mail time videos into one just because I don't really have enough to just make 1 minute videos every now and then. So I want to just thank Little Penny for sending me the peg legs, and I want to thank Aaron, Poke by Toast, for sending me the LEDs, the patch, and all sorts of other things. So if you guys can look forward to the install of those LEDs as well as the peg legs. And I just wanted to let you guys know that if you like this kind of content, just give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of this. Obviously, I would have to get more things or get things sent to me. But if you want, just let me know. And if you want to make sure and see what else I have, hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every single time I upload something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spaz out. Later.